Hello everyone, my name is Lalit Banga. I belong from Patelagar, Ghaziabad. I have completed my BCom honors from Delhi University in 2019. I have joined Evision. This is a great online learning place where I enhance my IT skills and experience of tenure was very good there. I have chosen the right career path for myself. eVision has a eVision placement also has conducted telephonic and WebEx interview practice and personality development for this, which helped me a lot. Everything was very good there. eVision make me join HCL Technologies. Finally, I am getting 3 LPA. This is very flexible to schedule and great support team to assist me in case of issues. eVision helped me a lot in my career growth and IT domain. Thank you eVision for the best placement team.
Thank you, Evision.
Join eVision, join job.